We had made this window and double click it should get the item list. In this video we are going to update this data. First of all, I want to update that value here. Now this should be here. Now let's see if it update that things or not. Now this is a frozen type. If I double click, it should give us frozen phrase frozen. Now it has been updating. Now I have to place this variable too. Now I should find these variables. Main window variable are these add. I think I need add window variable. I think I have taken that win variable to as these are the variable. Now I need to update these four things. First of all, I have to global this variable. Add store var has been already set. Now dot set, this should be set add item detail. This should be I think 2. Find that window here. 3210. Rate is equal to 1. That's it. This is of 1 and set item detail and this should be 0. Let's see if we get that. If I click, yes, I get this, and we can update here anything and this. Now I should make variable of global variable called update item id is equal to, this is null for now. I should global this variable. This will be of same this. I don't need anything. Now on click that update button or that admin login add item and update item. Here I should global again that variable. Now I have everything and I should make the query. Let's make this query everything same as this, only I need to change some variable here. Name id rate. Here I will give this name id as same as, no, sorry for this, I should erase this for now because I am going to update that table. Update item list, set name is equal to this, and name id, no name id, rate is equal to this, type is equal to, and store type is equal to this, where name id is equal to, this should be name id, that format, this will be the format. What I have to pass is name, comma, rate, comma, type, comma, store type, comma, I have to pass update item id. Now let's save and run that. If I change the price of this 20, it should update as it has been cleared, and now it should update that to 20. Yes, now it has updated to 20, but I have not seen that value, so I should call again that variable called, where that was, get item list. Now I have to update this item as this. I will change this to 30, and this is drinks. For now it has changed this data already. Now I think I need some fix like this update and this printing item. Now where that item is, print, get item list, double click, where is double click, I don't need this for now. Now here in update window I have added this is update item. Now this is nice one. Now one thing has been left for us. This is so entries what all the things has been done by us. So I have to do only this one item and this level above this. Nothing to do there in so entries, so that you could do that also. But in next, I think we can make this in this video, because this is we have time. Let's make in same video for now. Now I think this is define view all. I think that was wheels. Here two things to do is back button and title level. And everything we have previously. I think there is a Bills TV. I will use this Bills TV. Any there is button, I don't need button. Bills TV should be copied here. I have all the data there and no need for anything. This will not be needed. Now this row is equal to, I will use this to 1. Column is equal to 5. Row is equal to 1. And we have all the things set here. Now thing is we have to update this data. Here define update data. For that we have to get that all the connection of this fetch all copy and let's paste here. Select, I don't need count here, and I have to find this bill. This is bill. You re-execute this data. Before that I have to remove all the data of Bills TV. Where is Bills TV? I should have made this, copy this because I am lazy one. Here I don't need this, and I will need this. Row dot name, rate, quantity, cost. I think this should be the same rules I have. Name, quantity, rate, cost. Nothing to do else. I should close the connection. Update bills data. Now this should be called on function to move to view this data window. And I have to copy this. First of all, I have to remove data and grid all the data. Now this have to be placed in main window, where that is item add window main window, and here is show all entry. Now it has shown me all the data. You can make this little bit larger if you need, but this is nice for me. I will make this larger. With that, I cannot make this because I have already set that to above height, and sorry for that. I am unable to make this for now. This will be nice one. Go back, same function will be called here, and everything is here. Update, you can update this data. Everything is nice for now, and I need to show you here is something else. This is not stick to that data. Row, if this update TV is in the row 4 and I have erased this in 5, so it is now it is nice one. If this will be larger and it will move down. This is the this is not the last video. We will gonna updating this. I just want to get your opinion what should be more added to this, and then I will add this, and this code will be available on the GitHub. Thank you for watching this video and this series. Comment below to what should be needed more. Thank you for watching this.